Have you ever felt frozen? Not lazy, not confused, just unable to act? You know what needs to be done, but something inside refuses to move. The Bhagavad Gita has a name for this. The Stoics have a name for this. And both agree on one thing. This is not a motivation problem, it's a duty problem. This kind of paralysis isn't emotional weakness, it's structural failure. Think of a building that looks perfect from the outside: fresh paint, clean glass, impressive height. But underneath, the foundation is cracking. That's exactly what happens in the Gita. Arjuna doesn't collapse because he's afraid. He collapses because his internal structure fails under load. The Stoics call this a loss of character. The Gita called it deviation from dharma. Different languages, same engineering diagnosis. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A horse is made to run. A vine is made to bear fruit. A human is made to perform their duty." Stoicism isn't about feeling good. It's about functioning correctly. Nothing in a structure is accidental. A slab transfers load to a beam transfers load to a column transfers load to the foundation. Walls don't chase status. Windows don't seek validation. They do their job and the building stands. Now look at modern life. We don't ask, "What am I built for?" We ask, "What pays more? What sounds impressive? What will people respect?" In India, we see this everywhere. Careers chosen for packages, work done for titles, effort driven by comparison. But society doesn't stand on status. It stands on people doing their duty well. Doctors heal. Teachers teach. Parents stabilize. Each one is a column. Remove enough columns, and the roof called society doesn't crash. It just slowly starts to sag. Then Krishna introduces a rule so precise, it sounds like engineering, not spirituality. You have a right to your work, but never to the fruits of your work. This is structural integrity. If you obsess over results, you stop inspecting the process. If you chase the completion certificate, you forget the reinforcement. Nishkama karma means this: place your attention only where control exists. The Stoics called this the dichotomy of control. Your effort is yours. Your honesty is yours. Your workmanship is yours. The result? That belongs to timing, society, luck, and chaos. Strong buildings aren't built by worrying about the roof. They are built by laying one solid brick properly every day. The battlefield was never just Kurukshetra. It's the student choosing between shortcuts and sincere study. It's the professional torn between meaningful work and hollow status. It's the parent carrying responsibility without applause. Stoicism doesn't say, "Don't feel." It says, feel everything, and act anyway. Arjuna didn't need inspiration, he needed structural clarity. Duty is not a burden placed on you. Duty is what aligns your life. When action matches function, life gains strength, stability, and a quiet confidence, the kind no reward can replace. Stoicism teaches us how to stand under pressure. The Gita teaches us why standing matters. Together, they form a philosophy for builders, not escapists. So ask yourself honestly, what is the one brick of duty you're avoiding today because you're too worried about the roof? Fold the blueprint, pick up the tool, lay the brick, the structure will follow.